Hi, this is Ken from Balanced Body. I want to wish you all a happy Earth Day, and I just want to share with you for a moment the kind of things that we're doing to make the environment a better place for all of us. We're right now standing in the middle of our newest part one of our expansion. This is about 25,000 square feet or 2,500 square meters. This part is an older building and we're just kind of reconditioning it. And so we're doing a lot of the same stuff that we did in the other building that we talked about last year, which is like adding the insulation above, and you can see that's all in place now. And we've got skylights that are going in here to bring in natural light. We also brought in a new kind of an LED, so these newer LEDs will actually create a lot more light with a lot less energy, and we're able to use fewer fixtures in order to get more light than what we had before. The other thing that we're doing here that's really kind of cool here is because it's such a huge space, we can't exactly heat it or cool it efficiently, right? So we can try and keep it cooler in the summertime and warmer in the wintertime. But what we're doing here, and you can kind of see it over here, is if you look at this whole structure right here, and this structure is actually going to cover our whole sewing and upholstery department. And then we're going to be able to bring kind of localized heaters just down from the top here, and we'll be able to keep our seamstresses and our upholsterers and the upholstery warm during the wintertime. And that's really kind of important because when you're working with upholstery stuff, what happens is the vinyl actually gets kind of cold and stiff and hard to work with, and it just makes it tougher to do a good job. So this will make it really easy, and we can localize and use as little energy as possible to do the job that we need to do. So the other part of this extension that we're going to be doing now is we're actually going to be not only using the 25,000 square feet of the new building we're moving into, but we're also going to be adding an additional 8,800 square feet of space here, which is going to be a classroom and break area and more production space. So if you look down this way, what we've done is we're going to actually put a wall between the corner of the building here down to the corner of that other building, which you can see far behind me. So the other really cool thing about this space is it gives us a lot more roof space, right? So with the additional roof space, it gave us the opportunity to add more solar. And so what we did is we took our original 1,000 panel solar array, and we're going to add an additional 1,118 panels to that array. And it's going to turn out to be a 1.1 megawatt power plant up on our ceiling. That's going to be enough power to actually power 110 1,800 square foot homes for a whole year with just what's on our roof, during one season. And it'll bring us really close to 100% solar powered, certain times during the year, and mostly power all times of the year. Hey, before I say goodbye to you guys, there's one last thing I was really excited to talk to you about. And it's the fact that we're getting away from using stuff like this, foam, and now we're using things like this for almost everything. So we're getting one product by product. We're starting with the Allegro 1 and the Allegro 2s, and we're going to keep moving through our whole line, and we're going to use just 100% recycled cardboard on all our packaging so that when you get it, you can recycle everything. It's kind of a cool move. We're really excited about it. And pretty soon, no more of this and a lot more of this, and things will be better. Hey, thanks a lot for your time today. It was good to see you, and good to talk to you about Earth Day, and good to talk to you about the things that we're doing here at Balanced Body to keep the world safer and greener, and just to kind of be more sustainable. And all I can do is urge you guys to do whatever you can, whenever you can, to keep our world a better place for our children and their children. Thank you so much.